Welcome to a brand new series on this channel, which I'm going to be calling Quick DJ Tips. Now, the idea of these videos is it's going to be a second video each week, hopefully, to the main video that I put out each Monday. And we're going to be focusing on a bit of advice, a bit of information, a DJ tip or a hack each week in under 5 minutes. So if you like quick bits of information and you are very time poor, then this is going to be the video series for you. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing this introduction each and every week. This is just to kick things off. Today's quick tip is vinyl mode and CDJ mode on the FLX-4 and how to find it. If you own something like the FLX-4, of course, it doesn't have a vinyl CDJ mode like this CDJ has. You can't toggle between them on the device, and it doesn't have a screen in the middle of the jog wheel, so you can't tell which mode it's in just by looking at the controller. Have no fear though, it's very easy to toggle between the two modes within your laptop. Now, when you're in Rekordbox, you can actually tell which mode the controller is in quite easily. It tells you by this blue circle on each deck. So this blue circle basically means that the left-hand deck is in vinyl mode, and it's the same for the right-hand deck. Now, you can toggle between the two modes very easily by working out what the keyboard shortcut is. So all you need to do to find this out is click on the little cog up the top here, make sure that you are on the keyboard menu, then select deck 1. Now scroll down to find vinyl mode. So you can see here we've got vinyl mode. The current keyboard shortcut is Command A. Now, if you don't like that keyboard shortcut, you can click to change the key mapping to a shortcut that you want. So that is for deck 1. It will be slightly different for deck 2 because you have individual control. So you can minimize that, go to deck 2, and you can find vinyl mode is also Command S. Now that you know this, you can toggle between vinyl and CDJ mode to your heart's content on each side. And there we have it, nice and simple to toggle between the two modes. Hope you found that useful.